के नसीब में ये रात हो, रात नहीं रात.
I'm actually going to call all three of you together. So you all can sit here also. You all can sit here also. One, two, three. Sorry? Ah, whatever. Okay. The whole cast, Salman Bhai, Rashmika, so lovely to see you. Sharman, Murugadas sir, Satyaraj sir, the wonderful Kajal, Anjani, welcome. And Sajid Nadiadwala sir, we're all here. अब बस जिस moment का हम सबको इंतजार था, but there's and the Golden Girl, some 10,000 crores that you've made in all your films. You have to carry this luck forward, Rashmika. तो सिकंदर जिसका इंतजार था, हो जाए ट्रेलर. I never see press excited सिर्फ सलमान भाई के लिए. तो once more देखनी है ट्रेलर अभी के लिए. So back to back, एक के बाद एक, one after the other will play twice for you. Bring this scaffolding down and let's play the trailer for you. We've all been waiting for this Eid. Perfect, works. But अभी जो captain of the ship हैं, the most unassuming person you'll know, जिसने हम सबको ये 100 crore के बारे में समझाया था life में. So we didn't understand what 100 crores was. It is because of you it happened. Murugadas sir, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The director, can we have you on stage, sir? You know the pressure now. There has to be another zero added to it. This has to be 1,000 crores now, sir. So we're already putting you under pressure. And a gentleman who, you know, we are having a little discussion. Arey Baba, thank you, thank you. इन जनाब ने 150 फिल्में की हैं. One of the biggest actors that there is. But sometimes, you know, you do that one role और वो एक role हमारे ज़हन में बैठ जाता है. And Katappa sir, Satyaraj sir, is forever for us, perhaps one of the most iconic performances ever. इस बात को almost 10 साल हो गए. This is another very surprising thing. It's been 10 years since then. So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Satyaraj sir? एक और जनाब अभी स्टेज पर आने वाले हैं. Somebody who I have known for a very, very long time. And I love the fact that he's actually making a, I would say, a big comeback with this. Because whenever we see him, he always looks so unassuming, so relaxed. Sharman Joshi के लिए तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. पहली बार ऐसे टोपी वाले अवतार में इनको देख रहा हूं मैं. So I'm loving this as well. And a lady who just takes your breath away every time you see her. I think I've been taking interviews of hers for more than 10, 15 years. Every time you see Kajal Agarwal, you are just, your breath is taken away. Telugu industry, Tamil industry, Hindi industry, there's nothing that you haven't done. Can we have you on stage, Kajal? Wonderful to have you back. You can move, I think. And I think in very stiff competition is somebody else also who is going to, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्द she'll be splashing the news places, you know, all the articles everywhere. Anjani Dhawan. Ladies and gentlemen, the lady in red, and perhaps a new face that you're going to be watching out here. पता है क्या होता है बड़ी फिल्म में जब करोड़ों लोग देखने लग जाते हैं, then suddenly life changes for you in a big way. So Anjani, welcome, and life is changing. You look a little bit more nervous than you looked 15 minutes ago. Now that you've seen the trailer,
Yeah.
suddenly it's hit you, right? Yeah. And a lady who, do you have a calculator? Do you sit and calculate how much? I want to ask you also, have you met astrologers? Have you done pujas? What have you done? Because पता है एक समय आता है, for a batsman these days, of course, in cricket, you have a purple patch, no? So every innings, when they score 99 also, they say, oh, this is okay. So Rashmika, you need no introduction. I'm not putting the Mickey on you also, but it's running. You are right now the golden girl. So taaliyan ho jaye, and this golden run is going to continue. Rashmika, can we have you on stage, please? Yes, do exactly what you've done for every other film, Rashmika. You know, exactly follow the same path also. Everything that you're doing as far as the traditions, na, you just will continue doing that. Now, there's a man who's actually been so long in the industry, 30 plus years, लेकिन ये नया अवतार उनका देख कर ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm so happy कि ये भी decade बार. So last time, both of you all were on stage. I was also on stage there at that time. वो kick 11 साल हो गए इस बात को sir almost. And we're seeing you again. Time to bring you back on stage. One and only Sajid Nadiadwala, the biggest producers of our industry, and a man who has, like if Rashmika has a golden touch, he has a golden touch of the blockbuster and all the numbers that we have. And then there's a man who's here, जो हमारी शान है. जब वो नहीं आते ईद पर हमें ऐसा लगता है कि what यार, अब सलमान सर आ गए बस खत्म. Can we have the mics, please? Salman sir का mic हो जाए.
Thank you, thank you.
Sajid sir. Sir, but before we ask anybody, your father is here. Have you looked at him and seen thumbs up or no? ये तो already देख चुके होंगे. This hasn't happened before. I don't remember Salim sir being there.
Ever coming, na?
Yes, this is the first time.
Yeah, he wanted to be here.
And was there another reason why he loved the film, or he just wanted to come? What was the reason why he wanted to come for this one?
He's loved the film and he wanted to see the. आप सबसे मिलना था, देखना था कि आप मुझे कैसे treat करते हो.
This is a great partnership also that has come back. लोग बोलते हैं कि Eid has become synonymous with you forever. जब एक आध gap आ जाता है, so वो लगता है कि fill in the blanks क्यों?
Eid, Diwali, New Year, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And picture अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं.
200 sir, 3-4 दिन में 200. Now first reaction.
200, 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी.
First reaction, Sajid sir. Now that you've seen this also there, it's always like a labor of love when you're making it. और हम लोग वैसे डिस्कस करते हैं, थोड़ी सी nervousness तो होती है कि public क्या बोलेगी. First reaction when you saw it and you heard some cheers at the back, कैसा लगा?
Hi everybody. I've been making films 37 years और हर बार लगता है कि इस time nervous नहीं होगा. Done. But seeing all of you all, I hope you all like the trailer and I want to just say a simple word for Salman. I know we made Kick together. उसमें एक डायलॉग था अभी I'd written कि ये दिल में आते हैं समझ में नहीं. While making this film ये दिल में भी आए, समझ में भी आए, ribs breaking के बाद shooting पे भी आए और आज present condition में trailer launch पे भी आए. Thank you.
So big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes, we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you,
And
thank
you
you.
put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें करनी पड़ती
बीच
हैं.
में कभी-कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है. और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में. अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ, बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना. मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Murugadas sir,
Thank you.
just, I was reading a lovely article. You said, when I'm making films with big stars, I just make big films, in that way. You have to also cater to the audience, what the audience wants, what the star also has, as a name for so many years. Someone like Salman sir is, literally pan-India. It works like that. You seem so unassuming all the time. How do you make these big, this has got emotion, this has got action? Are you like this on the chair also when you're directing? Is it like this only with a small voice? Or is there another side of you that we haven't seen which is there in the films also? Because the films have a lot of aggression. So which side is this?
I want to share something with you, guys.
One second, I'll just, just take, yeah.
Thank you.
Just increase the volume for this mic.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad Studio in Chennai. I requested the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I know what was the shoot, so I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sri Devi ma'am was there. So I thought First time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's combing.
Backside. Like my backside.
So he's combing. So I tried to see who is the hero. He turned. Is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So that shoot started. So without knowing, I went forward. So the guard touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave. So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years, I have directed with him.
Fantastic.
So
Just imagine what the security guard must be thinking now, sir, when he comes to watch this movie.
thank you, sir.
And then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
So thank you, sir. Definitely, Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think all that is quite simple and very sorted out. जिस तरह हमने देख लिया. Let's go to that lady over there in the red. When we were chatting, everything looks fantastic. When you come on stage, there's an aura of a gentleman, and it's happened to so many people. I've had people that just suddenly stop speaking in front of Salman sir. You're in a film which is there, which is going to be larger than life. You're going to walk away, no matter what you do, 200, 300, 400, 500 ऐसे बन जाएंगे. Have you thought about those things? And now that the trailer has been seen by everyone, which is the first time you also saw it, how are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited. So excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
Now, all that, I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times, I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, I don't mean it.
But after that, like now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there, and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. Yeah. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murgados sir. It's very special. And when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's in there.
Yeah, your box office record.
Yeah, so
pressure
excited.
मत डालो भाई.
Sir, मैंने मुरुगदास sir पे तो 0 का pressure डाल दिया. 100,000 बोल दिया. So we already crossed that. Kajal, you've been so fantastic over the years, in various industries as well. Earlier there was a time, where it would be completely different. Things have become so similar now. It's almost like, you walk in from here into that industry as well. But just being part of a large magnum opus, does it still excite you as much when you see yourself on screen?
Good evening, everyone. Of course, I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film. And I don't think it's the number of films you do. I think that excitement will just always remain. And this I can say for everyone as well. I mean, all of us watched the trailer for the first time today, and we were all hooting and whistling and clapping. So,
were you critically looking and said, that's a good shot that they put in the trailer there? Were you saying
I have this very bad habit. I'm always critically looking.
But it's okay. But you're looking fantastic. And Satyaraj sir, it's so happy and so humbling to have you on stage as well, sir. Like I said, sometimes when we keep on saying forever, next 20 years also we'll keep saying Bahubali and Katappa, sir. So how do you deal with that right now? Wherever you go over here, they'll say that only. How do you deal with that?
Good evening, everybody. First thing, the happiest thing today happened for me, that is I met Salim ji. And Saab introduced me, Papa, Katappa. I'm very happy because when I was studying in college and school days, Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my... And after watching this trailer, this is amazing, amazing. Murgadas sir, Thank you very much. Because, sir, I am in the field for the past 47 years and nearly I did 250
So one sec, say it slowly. You're not 47 years old. You're in the field for
the
47
field,
years.
47,
So can we have a big round of applause for that? I don't know too many people that can say that record and still.
He started when he was 3 years old.
And I started my career as a very sarcastic villain. After that, by opportunity, I became a hero. I did nearly 100 films as hero. For example, Hukumat Dharmendra Ji's. I did Dharmendra Ji's character. And in Agnipath in Tamil, I did Amitabh Ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanerani Sa's character, I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very.
They say so much about him. I know. He's loved everywhere.
But I don't have any combination with. Oh, solriya mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films. Yeah. So, and of course, the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're so incredibly humble. There were so many vows when you were saying the roles that you had done. Sometimes in this current day and age, when we have one reel going viral, people start saying, look at how humbly you said. It's a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I think we all learned a little bit about cinema history today, standing sir with you. So really humbling to be on stage with you also. But there's nothing wrong that you can do sometimes, Rashmi. And I say it, you know why? Because a lot of people become stars. You're still so chilled, still so humble. I was seeing a video the other day. You asked the paps, "Aur kitna videos loge mera?" Same hi to main lag rahi hu. It was beautiful. But that's how it's been. The last couple of years has been fantastic for you. Do you sometimes just, are you in shock or what is it going? Yes, of course, everyone puts in the same amount of effort. You're watching all your films and different kinds of films also, So it must be a fantastic period. What is the thought process now? What are you thinking?
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
Do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is our
That's your
hearts to
shot.
you. We should get everyone to do it.
Now the paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. Aisa photo karenge. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time, super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just, every Friday, everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time. Not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, I entered the industry 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry, but watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, I think for this film is the first time sir called me, and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other, and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started, but it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with a scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well, you know, and congratulations on this. And I think your good luck charm will continue to run with this also.
Thank
That's what Salman sir, Murugadoss sir, and Sajid sir are also hoping. Fantastic, Sajid sir. But you know, you've got this incredible friendship with Salman sir, you know, and you understand what the audience wants. You know, it's both ways. You know, it's a very fine line at balancing what the audience wants. We were discussing so many things. These numbers, you know, for the public it's different. For you as a producer, it really is nerve-wracking sometimes, you know. Yes, everyone expects these massive numbers all the time, but when you're out there, you're picking the dates, you're picking the kind of script, you're picking, you know, even in this case, calling Rashmika. Just describe the entire process of Sikandar that was for you.
I don't know, every time they say Friday decides our career. We are not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday. I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate. Thank you.
But simple, now you've seen the film, वो होता है कि first shot में, वाह, I love it. No. As a producer, also, as a director, when you saw a film, are you able to say, yes, it worked for me?
The shot, you're asking shot?
No, whole film, sir. When you see the whole film, have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah.
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah.
Any more cuts left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 days shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी. Continue now. Continue.
So he, Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I've done this film for you all.
Yeah. That
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
Oh,
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, one last shot, sir. 3 shots left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sahid sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also.
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
Our shooting was part will be like.
Shooting also was like this. We'll come to Sharman. Sharman, good to see you back, brother. This is fantastic. I was reading a story how, you know, it's always like that. He just has such a large heart, you know, and Salman sir is there. You know, it always, I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean, now, just imagine where he's reached. It's fantastic. You know, you look at Bobby 2.0. Look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadoss sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, like I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one. But I experienced it for the first time. And I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
Salman sir, but this film has a lot of action also, you know.
It has everything.
You have
It
to
has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika is singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice, what you liked the
The
most?
best part I liked of the trailer was like the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right? Who knows this full song? Who knows this full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए तेरा आपके नसीब में ये रात हो रात नहीं रात
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw
See,
it?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning, and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image
Hey,
also.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Well, taliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics. And we want you want that, right? That picture. Everyone over here should do that little picture. We'll take the mics. Yeah. Okay, everyone with the... Sir, it's a heart. It's a heart. Sir, one solo. just one second. One second.